The landing cost module allows the landing cost to be distributed and added onto the item cost during purchases. This module feature is applicable of sub-function of purchases, goods received notes, purchase invoice, and cash purchase. This is the current unit cost to item 789 before landing cost is calculated. Now, I will demonstrate how to use the landing cost module, which affects the unit cost of the stock item. For that, first click Purchase, then Purchase Invoice. Click New and select a creditor. Then add an item. For example, I will add item 789. Key in their quantity and their unit price. To add the landed cost, click the Landed Cost button. If the landing cost was charged by the service provider in foreign currency, key in the foreign currency. Or if the landing cost was charged by the service provider in local currency, key in the local charge amount. So now I will key in the local charge amount. If calculating landing cost proratedly based on subtotal, the landing cost will be distributed among the transacted item according to the ratio of each item's row subtotal. If by stock item weight, then it would be distributed among the ratio of each item row's total weight. And if by stock item volume, then the landing cost will be distributed among the transacted items according to the ratio of item row's total volume. The item volume and the item weight can be maintained in stock item maintenance. So now I'll be doing subtotal. So I click OK. And then I will click Save. Now if we go to stock item maintenance and click item 789, we would be able to see that now the unit cost price is higher than just now. Just now was 1 and now is 1.0238, and the total quantity right now is 4,200. So we can use the landing cost module feature for goods received notes as well as cash purchase. So thank you.